Alright, I wanted to do a part 2 to the No Snakes Alive video, but I've been just inundated with questions and comments as a result of that video. I need to really address a lot of things, and I don't know how many videos it's going to take to deal with all these topics and discussions, and a lot of you guys had some amazing input. I really appreciate your comments and questions and things. But I got a lot of very interesting ones as well. And I think we need to clear up some things and really deal with the realities that are before us. So without further ado, let me just do this quick update, get this out the way, and then we're going to jump right into No Snakes Alive Part 2, Quant or Quack. Alright? So let's run through yesterday real quick, a synopsis of what happened for Monday. As you see here, this is the input from Monday. This is the journal here. One quick note: when I put these up here on the blog, you see how this hand is like this? If you click this, if you right click this or left click it, whatever, you'll be able to download it. Okay, so you may want to download this spreadsheet so you can blow it up and make it bigger and stuff. So I would really encourage you to do that. Also, in the future, when I do the regular Vulcan reports, when you go to the blog, I'm making it so that you also have a screenshot of the chart too. Like here's the one for today for the euro. If you scroll down here toward the end, right after the it's going to be right after the risk disclosure. If you scroll down, right beneath that will be voila, the chart. Okay, if you click this, you'll be able to download this chart also, and then you can blow it up, make it bigger, smaller, however you want to do it, so you can take a look at the chart. Okay, all that is there for you to take a look at. Also, I've been redesigning the blog and working on it, trying to make things a little bit easier to navigate for you guys. Right here, this is the Blog Talk Radio archive of the radio shows I did on Blog Talk. Alright, right here you can subscribe to this to my blog. A lot of times, like I told you before in the past, I don't have time to do a video, but I will go ahead and update the blog though with the pertinent information so that you guys who trade off of this can have timely trade setups and analysis. Okay, alright, right underneath of that you see the blog archive. The way I do my entries now is I put the date so you know it's easier to find stuff, and then right after the date I use the ticker symbol of what is being discussed. Alright, so it's easy to find. So if you want to find what did I have to say about the bonds today, which you know is ticker symbol TLT, just click it, bam, it brings it up for you. Okay, if you scroll down some more, you'll see this is the followers button. As you see, only one person so far has subscribed. Strongly urge some of you to go ahead and do that, because there may come a time where I might not be able to upload a video the way I need to, or I could have some issues with my channel because of the topics I'm going to be discussing here very shortly. I cannot stress to you enough that if you don't subscribe to the blog, you may be disappointed in the near future. So those of you who support my YouTube channel, please support my blog too. Help me to continue to get the truth out and to help as many people as possible with these Vulcan reports. That's what I try to do. Alright, you scroll down toward the bottom here, some more links that are going to be helpful. Some of the links go to sites that you have to register before you can view the information on the links. But it's not like you have to open an account or anything. You're just registering to get onto the site. Track records and past portfolios and stuff. That's all that is. You scroll down toward the end here of the blog, and I have the economic calendar coming up for the entire globe. What's happening? You know, Australia, the U.S., everybody. And then it tells you right here if it's low, medium, or a high regard. I mean, you know, if it's high, it's a big deal, so you want to look out for that. And then right below that is news, and any breaking news that's coming out in real time, it'll update and put it here, okay, for you to take a look at. and that's what that is. Okay, so that's pretty much that on the main page of the blog. The other one I'm working on is this one right here, trading the power of the pulse scan swing VIX. Right now, currently, if you click it, it'll bring up just brief information about the pulse scan swing VIX, the system. Okay, going into some more detail about what it's designed to do and what my thought processes were going into it. You can scroll down, you can see a whole lot more information here. Just some promotional marketing stuff. When I first started with this, I did it back then, a long time ago, years ago, with a subscription thing in mind where you literally would have to pay for it, but that is no longer the case. So there's no fees here. This is all